Hard water spots are those annoying white, chalky marks that can show up on your car after washing or rain. These spots can bond to your paint and even cause etching over time, dulling your car's finish. Here are simple ways to remove hard water spots from your car's paint. White vinegar is one of the easiest and most effective home remedies for removing hard water spots from your car's paint. It helps dissolve these mineral deposits safely without damaging your car's finish. To remove hard water spots from your car's paint, start by mixing equal parts of white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the affected areas, making sure the surface is cool and the car is parked in the shade. Let the solution sit for about 1 to 2 minutes to help break down the mineral deposits, but don't let it dry. Then, gently wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth. Once the spots are removed, rinse the area with clean water and dry it thoroughly to prevent new spots from forming. Liquid soap can be a helpful first step in removing fresh or light hard water spots from your car's paint. It helps lift surface level grime, loosen mineral buildup, and prevent further damage. To remove hard water spots, start by mixing a mild liquid soap with water in a spray bottle. Then, spray the mixture directly onto the areas of the car's paint where the spots are visible. Use your fingers to gently rub the solution into the surface, spreading it thoroughly over the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes to help loosen the mineral deposits. After that, take a clean towel and begin wiping the surface. Continue wiping with another clean towel until all the hard water spots are removed. Finally, use a soft, dry microfiber towel to buff the area and restore a nice shine. This simple and effective method works well for light to moderate water spots and helps keep your car looking clean and polished. Hard water spot remover spray is specially formulated solution designed to break down and remove the mineral deposits left behind by hard water on your car's paint. Boat Bling Hot Sauce Hard Water Spot Remover with high gloss wax sealants is a biodegradable, soft water-based detailer that's safe for use on your vehicle. With its spray-on, wipe-off application, it effectively removes hard water spots, scum lines, and exhaust residue. It won't strip away your existing wax. Instead, it adds an extra layer of wax sealant with every use, leaving a high-gloss finish. This remover leaves behind a long-lasting, high-gloss finish that helps maintain your vehicle's appearance and protection over time. With the right techniques and products, you can safely remove hard water spots and restore your car's shine all from your driveway.